Good evening, ma'am. This is my speech. My dreams are vibrant, tapestry woven with threads of ambition, connection, and personal growth. The threads of ambition represent my desire for professional success, not merely for personal recognition, but for the positive impact I hope to have on the world. I envision a career with I can contribute meaningfully, leaving a legacy of positive positive change. The traits of connection represent the importance of relationship in my life. I dream of building strong, meaningful bonds with love ones, creating a supportive and loving community where everyone feels valued and cherished. This includes nurturing existing relationships and cultivating new ones based on mutual respect and understanding. Beyond those onward aspirations, that traits of personal growth represent my commitment to inner peace and self-discovery. I strive to consistently improve myself, both emotionally and intellectually, become the best version of myself. The journey of self-improvement fuels my ambition and strengthens my connection, creating a life filled with purpose and fulfillment.